welcome back to my channel. And can you tell it is gonna be a skincare video? I'm excited to share these products with you, and these are actually going to be first impression. You guys know I love me some MD Complete, and I have been using their products for a while. Well, they had some new products out, honey, and I've been wanting to test them, and I'm so grateful because they did send them to me. So these were gifted to me from MD Complete. You know me, I like to keep it real. I like to do my reviews and products that we're gonna be testing. We have the MD Complete by Dr. Brian, and it's the Quench and Restore Advanced Hyaluronic Treatment. You can use this all over your face, around the lips and eyes. And this will definitely help with pumping, resurfacing, firming, and this will definitely give me that boost that I've been looking for. So we're gonna be trying this, you guys. I'm so excited to try this. And then the next product, also gonna be trying the Vitamin C Herbal Boost, and this brightens, nourish, and refine. Now the other serum, I am absolutely in love with that one, and I saw this and I was like, I haven't tried this. I need it, you know? So let's talk about it. And the mere fact that it said Herbal Boost, I was like, okay, all right. So they recommend that this one be used after you've applied other products, and this one is recommended to be used before. Stick around. Let's go. About these products, okay? Did y'all see that transformation though? Did y'all see the process? I love how this just melted into my skin. I love how this just dissolved into my skin and instantly gave me radiance and gave me that brightening. That I just love how it just went into my skin and it just started to work. And it has this inviting little scent to it. Like, I definitely felt the quench, and I could see the restoration coming through. Hello, glow. I love this. First impression, I am loving this. And of course, you know me, I like to use my products for at least a month and show you the transformation, show you the difference, show you pretty much how they work for me and the improvement and pretty much the results that I will get from these products. So we'll be back with our monthly or 1 month review after using these for so long. But first impression, hello. Let's get into this herbal boost. Listen, let's get into this, okay? Because let me tell you something, guys. First of all, this scent, I like the hint of hemp that I'm smelling. Love it. You saw how everything just seeped right in, and what I love is that it goes into the skin. It does have a glow, and that is because I do believe I might have put a little bit more than they recommended amount of pump that they recommend. But so if you're not like me and you don't like to have a lot of product, you can take your time and build up. So I did think I think I went about 6 to 7 pumps. I don't remember, I stopped counting. So about 6 to 7 pumps. So if you want to start at 3 or 4, you can, especially if you're going to be using other products and put this over, you can. And just give me that restoration, that plumping, that radiance, that brightening. Love the feel of this on my skin. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. It feels natural. It doesn't, there's no heavy feeling on with both of them. There's no heavy feeling. Everything feels light. Love the texture of the products. They just went right into the skin. I am loving these two products. It's my first time using them from MD Complete, and again, this was a first impression video because I did want to try them with you guys so you guys could see, you know, how they work for me. And just to give my feedback on the products, I will definitely be using these, and I will be giving you a 1 month review as to how the products have been working for me. And that is it for these products from MD Complete. I will leave the link in the description for these products, and also I will have a promo code for you in the description. If you want to go ahead and check these out, you'll get a little discount. So do leave any questions that you might have in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.